In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you general instructions on how to connect any Samsung smartphone to any MacBook. Of course, in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about the S24 Ultra and the MacBook Pro, but these instructions will apply for any other model of smartphone and MacBook. So to do this, you will need a specific tool. Android File Transfer. There are other tools available like MacDroid, but this is the one that I'm going to be recommending in this video. So as the name implies, you will be able to connect any Android device and transfer its contents into your MacBook Pro's storage. So you can download it from the official Android website. So look for Android File Transfer on Google, find this page, and then click on Download Now. As you can see, it supports macOS 10.7 and higher. All that you have to do is open the DMG file, drag it to applications, and then connect your phone to the MacBook. So when you open it for the first time, you'll see this interface, and now you have to connect your S24 Ultra to the MacBook. There are various different ways to do this, and of course, I recommend just using a cable. Depending on which connection or ports you have available on your MacBook model, the cable might change, but it might be USB-A to USB-C, it could be USB-C to USB-C. The baseline is that you have to establish a connection. Once the connection has been established between both devices with the proper cable, inside of the Android File Transfer application, you will see all of the contents of your S24 Ultra. So everything is going to be available here, and you can now transfer it to your MacBook. Just open any of the folders here, drag the contents into any folder of your MacBook Pro, and it is going to be saved. And you can repeat this with any other Samsung or Android device and transfer its contents into your MacBook Pro storage. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to MacBook Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.